Hi font fixationists, welcome back. Stephanie here, I'm glad to see you. Today is Thursday. Thursday means one thing to us, we people, font fixationists, to the font fixationists. Thursday means new stamp day, and that is so exciting. That is not the FedEx man. I stalk this FedEx man through this window right here. I don't know if he knows it. So today is Thursday, that means new stamps, and this week's new stamp is 3mm Hello Sweetheart, which I could not be more excited about. I love this font. I love this font so much, and I feel like I want to use it constantly, but at 5mm, it's a little too big. So 3mm is right where I love to be. That's my comfort zone. I'm so excited to be able to do smaller things, make cuffs that have a whole bunch of words on them, to be able to fit more text on a blank because I have a smaller font. I am so thrilled. And I love everything about this font. The lowers, I probably use more than the uppers. But I also love that the uppers can be a pretty cute monogram. Oh my gosh, monogram. You guys, how cute would a monogram be if you did the center letter in the 5mm one and then the side letters in the 3mm? Oh my gosh, that's gonna have to be something I hammer now. I love it. You would not even believe it. But I just realized I was wearing hearts today. I swear to God, that wasn't even, the moment I said hearts, I looked at my thing and I thought, never mind. I am prepared by having my ammo boxes, which I got from, I think these are from Cabela's, I'm not sure. I don't know. So I have my ammo boxes. I have 400,000 sheets of paper towels ready because everything Brian and the team send me is covered in 27 gallons of oil because everything here rusts in a heartbeat. Bracelet bender. Can you see that? Holy rust. What? I have my blanks behind me. I am ready to go. So that is also not the FedEx. You guys, you have to see what I'm looking at. Yay! Okay, it's here. My camera is crazy. What's happening? Hold on. Okay. Okay. Let's open the box. Product demonstration. What? Something new, sometimes you have to try a few different things. So if you find that, ooh, that's a little friendly.